How to download GTA San Andreas on PC for free. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you're gonna find the search box, type in rockstargames.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Now you have to search for the game San Andreas. After game appears, here you're gonna see the option of Buy Now. Click on that option. Click on PC Buy Now again. Now you have to log into your account. In the case you haven't created your account yet, you can create it as well. You just need to verify your email address. After you fill this, click on Sign In. Once logged in, you will be directed to this page where you have to provide your card details. Select your payment method and provide the card details. Then click on Confirm. Once you provide your card details, head back, go to the Old tab, then click on this icon given at the top left corner. Now select the option of Home. You will be directed to the home page. Now click on the option of Get Launcher. Now you have to download this Rockstar Games launcher. Click on the option Download for Windows. With that, download will start. You can see that it's in the process to be downloaded. You have to wait for a few minutes. After completion of its download, you have to launch it. Now go ahead and select the language. Then click on Continue. Now go through the terms and conditions and then click on Continue. Check in for this option, then click on Continue. Choose the installation location, then click on Continue again. Now it's in the process to be installed. After completion of its installation, you can click on Close. Now go ahead and sign into your account, provide the email address and password and sign in. After you sign in, you will be directed to this page. Now at the left corner, you're gonna see the section of Now Available and Library. Under Library, you will be able to find the game. The game will be available in the Library section only in the case you have purchased it. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily get San Andreas game. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.